Ever wondered about the importance of conducting a cash incentive audit in the textile and garment sectors in Bangladesh? Well, it's crucial for ensuring regulatory compliance, verifying eligibility, and maintaining financial transparency. Today, we're going to break down this complex process into clear, manageable steps. From understanding the regulatory framework to continuous improvement after the audit, we'll guide you through each phase. So, buckle up and prepare for an insightful journey into the world of cash incentive audits. Stay tuned as we delve into the pre-audit preparation phase. The first phase in our audit process is the pre-audit preparation. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the regulatory framework. This means getting to grips with the Bangladesh Bank guidelines and staying on top of any recent amendments. Changes are frequent, and staying updated is non-negotiable. Next, arm yourself with industry-specific knowledge. The textile and garment industry has unique cash incentive programs and eligibility criteria. Understanding these nuances can be the difference between a successful audit and an unsuccessful one. Now let's talk about engagement planning. This involves a thorough risk assessment, factoring in geopolitical influences, economic conditions, and industry-specific risks. It's also important to establish clear lines of communication with the client to understand their internal processes and potential challenges. Lastly, conduct an initial document review. This involves a detailed review of the client's financial records, especially those related to cash incentives. It's crucial to confirm that the client meets the eligibility criteria for these incentives. Once these steps are completed, we can move on to the on-site audit procedures. Now that we have prepared, let's jump into the on-site audit procedures. The first step is physical verification. This involves on-site visits to production facilities to confirm the accuracy of claimed incentives. It's like a reality check for the financial records, ensuring that what's on paper matches the ground reality. Next, we turn our attention to purchase realization certificates or PRCs. These are crucial documents that validate the actual realization of export proceeds. We scrutinize them to ensure they align with declared export transactions. It's a meticulous process, but it's essential for the integrity of the audit. Finally, we establish communication channels with Bangladesh bank officials. This allows us to seek clarifications on regulations and confirm the authenticity of provided information. We also cross-verify export-related information with customs declarations and other regulatory bodies to ensure consistency. With the on-site procedures completed, it's time to compile our findings in an audit report. The next phase is the audit reporting. This stage is crucial as it provides a comprehensive summary of our audit findings. It's not just about collating data, but connecting dots to paint a clear picture of the client's compliance status and any potential areas of concern. Firstly, we craft a detailed report that sheds light on all facets of the audit: the good, the bad, and the ugly. This report is not intended to be a mere checklist. It should tell a story that makes complex audit findings accessible and comprehensible. Once our report is ready, we present our findings to the client. This is an opportunity to discuss the audit process, explain our observations, and offer recommendations for improvement. The goal isn't to point fingers but to foster an environment of transparency and collaboration. Lastly, the journey doesn't end with the audit report. Post-audit follow-up is essential. We provide our clients with regulatory compliance advice and best practices for maintaining detailed records. The final step in our process is to provide continuous improvement and learning opportunities. The audit process doesn't end with the report. It's an ongoing cycle of improvement. The journey of continuous improvement involves staying on top of regulatory compliance and honing documentation practices. This ensures future audits run smoothly and efficiently. It's also crucial to cultivate an environment of feedback and learning. By keeping abreast of industry trends and regulatory updates, you enhance the effectiveness of future audits. And that concludes our guide to conducting a cash incentive audit in the textile and garment sectors in Bangladesh. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to conducting a cash incentive audit. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered. We started with pre-audit preparation, which involved familiarizing yourself with the Bangladesh bank guidelines and deep diving into the specific cash incentive programs for the textile and garment sectors. We then moved to the on-site audit procedures, where we emphasized the importance of physical verification and scrutiny of purchase realization certificates. Next, we discussed audit reporting, the process of creating a detailed report of your findings and presenting them to the client. Finally, we touched upon the continuous improvement, which involves collecting feedback and staying updated with industry trends and regulatory updates. Remember, conducting a thorough cash incentive audit can provide valuable insights and ensure compliance, ultimately contributing to the success of your business in the textile and garment sectors in Bangladesh.